Your wish.
Good afternoon to everyone. My name is Shrivani. I am from CSC department. Today, my seminar topic is on electronic textiles. Introduction. Now, electronic textiles are newly emerging wearable technologies. Electronic textiles are also known as smart textiles or fabrics, as it contains as it is digital components and electronic devices are embedded in them. They are also called as smart clothing because incorporations are built in the everyday textiles and cloths. There are two main categories. First one is mounting the electronic devices into the textiles. Second one is directly creating the electronic function on the textile fibers. Objective. The main aim or objective is to provide a wearable e-textiles. At the production stage, the electronics are integrated in the thread or the in the thread during the production stage. Next, e-textiles are used in different fields like medical, military, and sports. In medical field, they can monitor patients or the person's heartbeat, blood pressure, and etc, and they store the data. If there is any abnormalities in the patient's body or any person's body, they will notify the person or the patient. In sports where some sensors are embedded in them, so that the performance of they can improve the performance by regulating the body temperature and monitoring the athlete's perspiration. In military, the electronic devices are integrated in their uniform so that it can increase their functionality and efficiency. Methodology. Threads used in manufacturing of textiles are made conduct to the electricity by coating with the metals like copper. To get the information from the textiles, the sensors are used. The sensors can be divided into two types: active inputs and passive inputs. Active inputs, which are controlled by the sense of touch and provide interaction with the garment and the textiles. Next, passive inputs collect the biometric data from the person's or human body. Next, conductive fabrics are used in manufacturing the textiles as they are lightweight, soft, and flexible. Conductive threads create conductivity between one point to the another point. The coating of metals on the threads or fibers cannot change their flexibility and density. Benefits. As they are flexible, so it is very comfort to wear, so wear. Next, it offers accurate data as it is close to our body. Next, it covers large area of sensing, and it is invisible to others because it is embedded in the textiles. Next, they are affordable they are easily affordable by every person, and it can be manufactured at minimum costs. Next, they are thermal and electrical resistance. Next, future scope. As some e-textiles are not waterproof and cannot be washed, and in some textiles they use nanotechnologies. As nanotechnology contains uh, some toxicity, and to overcome all these issues, they are bringing innovative design so that the toxicity should be reduced, and they can be washed. They can be washed. Next, smart textiles in energy harvest and storage. When the e-textiles can store the energy, they can use this energy in for other electronic devices. Conclusion. The main aim of the e-textiles is to attach the electronic technological components to the textiles. As there are many electronic components are connected between them, and it becomes more versatile. To ensure personal safety against potential offenses from the abuse users, next, in future we might enjoy the freedom of wearing the electronic textiles than carrying electronic devices. These are the references I have referred. Thank you, sir.
What are the advantages of this textile, electronic textile?
Sir?
The advantages.
Sir, we can now we are carrying smartphones, watches, and the everything, sir. But it is very advantageous if we cannot. In sometimes we may forget, sir. But we will never forget to wear our clothes. So, as the electronic devices are embedded in them, it is very useful, sir.
Can we daily? I will change the cloth.
Yes, sir.
Then each
Some
time
are
it can remove.
Yes, sir. Some are detachable, sir.
Some are. Other some are.
Some are not detachable,
When
sir. Like some are health now devices like our health tracking devices, sir. Like some like heartbeat monitoring. Next, now recently steps tracking. Everything is now online, sir. So those type of components can be detachable and can be attached to next other text cloths, sir.
you said some of the embedded, right?
Yes,
Those
sir.
things. Those things.
Those things cannot be detachable, sir.
Then
That will become.
If I
It will.
want to wash the cloth,
Yes, sir.
the
Yes,
electric
sir.
items, if you fall water in means.
Yes, sir. Some are now they are doing that. They are making that they should be waterproof so that we can wash, sir. They're still developing on it, sir.
Still they are developing on it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is it affordable to
Yes, sir.
all the class people? All the class peoples.
Not some are affordable, sir. Like some
What are
might
cost
be
effective?
yes,
Some
sir.
might be cost.
Some might be cost effective, sir.
Okay. Okay. Like any disadvantages?
Yes, sir. As it is not washable, sir, we cannot purchase all the devices. So these are at the disadvantages stages, sir. Now they
Then what
are
is the continue?
now they are still improving, sir. Like they can be washed, they can be used anytime. Some will, now if we fold it, will the wires will be will become will that wires attached will become it will cut, sir. It should be wrinkle free. These are all disadvantages, sir. They are working on it to get wrinkle free, waterproof. Those are, sir.
Then when if you want an electronic device to run means you require the power, right?
Yes, sir.
Then how they will provide the power to them?
Uh,
Yes, sir. Electronic device that they are going to embed it to cloth
yes, sir.
within the textiles.
Yes,
The
sir.
electronic device, if you want to work, means we need to provide the batteries or a power.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Some
We can
in
provide.
yes, sir.
Then how can we go for the powers and batteries?
Yeah. In some textiles, they are trying to embed batteries in it, sir, so that batteries can be detachable and it can be charged and it can be attached, sir.
Okay. Then there is no issue on the batteries and all those things like short circuits or short circuiting or like current passing through the bodies.
Yes.
Eh?
Yes, sir. Some in these cases there will be some disadvantages, sir.
Mhm.
Actually, I
So
don't know.
that will go.
Yes, sir. Actually, I don't know about this, sir. I'll get to know, sir.